So the love of art, where did it all start from?
Since I was a kid, I always remembered drawing. I mean, Dad had introduced me to the pencil, but I really became passionate when I started observing how things work and playing with those observations. So trying to come up with very playful stuff. And it wasn't until I went into graphic design that I approached art differently. Before, fine arts was about how skillful you are, and graphic design, what it's more like is visual communication. So it's how simply can you communicate something.
Eventually, you developed your own style, and I think that's what's particular about your art then.
Yes, thank you very much for that. Basically, what I did is I tried to combine Maltese things with Disney things. I love drawing characters, I love being an optimistic person, and I try to fuse them both. So Maltese colors, all these characters that have their own history, these cultural elements. I just try to iconify them.
And recently, a new horizon opened up thanks also to your girlfriend.
Yes. It was a very, very nice but stressful surprise. She surprised me with 2 weeks. She booked the gallery. And I remember at that point at time, I didn't really have anything to show. So all the work was done within 2 months. But thank the Lord for that opportunity, and I'm so happy for that.
Normally we say that Maltese don't appreciate art. However, you told me the turnout also surprised you.
Yes, the turnout was very, very surprising. I mean, besides Maltese people showing interest, even people from Australia, even tourists, they either they look back to them as their roots and they're iconifying our culture in a different manner. And some of them just see it as a good takeaway, as in they come visit Malta and they have something nice to take with them.
Many people say that art is not a job, or you cannot have a career through art. What's your message to them? You're an example of exactly the opposite.
There is that conception here in Malta, but you can definitely make it in art when it comes to advertising, but it's true, when it's fine arts and stuff like that, it is much harder. But always be optimistic. You should never look at the negative, so always keep trying for it.